What's the meaning of cannibalism? Cannibalism. Cannibalism.
Cannibalism. Cannibalism. Cannibalism refers to the act of consuming the flesh or internal organs of one's own species. The result of cannibalism can vary depending on the context in which it occurs. In some societies, it may be considered a religious or cultural practice. In other contexts, it may be a result of starvation or survival instinct. Regardless of the reason, cannibalism often carries serious health risks, including the transmission of diseases such as Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, CJD. Consuming human flesh can also have psychological effects on both the victim and perpetrator.